Hello, my name is Susanna Reagan. Today we will be taking a quick tour of some of the tools that are available through Geographic Information Systems that can be extremely valuable to emergency management professionals. Geographic Information Systems provides a wide variety of applications that can be tailored to almost any situation. I've created a dashboard displaying several different applications specifically tailored to emergency situations. Let's take a look at this story map. This was created using the Cascade template. And I particularly like this story map for a debriefing situation to add in some background information regarding an incident. This one uses the map to display the location of the incident, and also the incident was evacuated for 2 miles, and so the buffer tool was used to create an evacuation area of the situation. Next, let's take a look at the map book. And the map book is extremely valuable for a situation where you need a paper map. You can print this, export this out of Pro, and it provides you with an overview map along with these individual close-up maps. And it's extremely useful because it also has the USNG coordinates on the map. Next, let's take a look at the 123 survey. This is an extension of ArcGIS. And this form is provided for a storm damage report. And it's pretty simple to fill out, but it's created so that you can make certain areas required for the public to fill out and other areas are optional, depending on the situation they're reporting. Next, let's take a look at the operation dashboard. And this app is really useful for displaying real-time data. This is a damage assessment analysis, and so you can quickly see where people in the field have collected data and estimated the damage of the property, and it displays residential, commercial, as well as public structures. Let's also take a look at the app that actually displays the data that is collected on the GeoForm for storm report. And this map, it shows the areas where people have collected a hazard or a road with water on it, and it just quickly gives an overview of what the public is reporting and what needs to be looked into. Another example of emergency management is preparedness, and this application is showing the sum of the impact. The impact map provides a quick summary of an area that, if it were to flood, it provides the population and what percentage of people would be affected if this particular area were to be flooded. The last app that I would like to discuss is the Situational Awareness app, and it is created with live data as well as editing capabilities. At the bottom of the map, you'll see 5 different widgets that also assist with analyzing this map. One of the most valuable features for this map is the editing tool, and here we can add, say this road right here has been closed due to flooding. And so it just gives you little directions on going through, and then we just fill out this form to show what time the road was closed due to flooding. Several other great features about this map are the print option. So once you have your added features to the map, you can print it and take it out into the field. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in further researching GIS, feel free to check out some of the links that I've provided on this slide.